When I first started in AI, I thought I knew what I was doing, but I was wrong. The mistakes I made lit a fire in me. Since then, I've built AI systems for companies worth hundreds of millions. And this is the story of how I got here. When I started this journey, I had no idea what I was doing. I failed more times than I could count. I doubted myself if I was ready to do this. But every mistake became fuel, and every setback forced me to grow. Through it all, I discovered that discipline and faith is what grows it all. And if there's one thing I learned, is that no matter how dark the road gets, everything has a way to turn out exactly how they should. Welcome back. So it's currently 4:15 now. It's Tuesday afternoon. I just had a hectic day working, you know what I'm saying, like full-time dev work. Honestly, VoiceFlow released an update yesterday and all of our like dev projects got messed up. So unfortunately, all of our projects that are launched and deployed are still working, but we cannot develop anything because it says that the agents cannot be compiled. So yeah, I haven't developed any VoiceFlow bots today. Instead, I'm developing on NRN for some admin backend stuff for our agency. So basically just automating our own stuff. So yeah, that's, I would say that it's fun, but it really isn't. It's boring. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on working. I've been to the gym and done all that stuff. But yeah, let's see you guys. Hey, what do you do? Varför outputtar en karusell och sen länk streamline? Okay guys, so it's 9 AM now, it's Wednesday. It's actually the first day back to school for my little brother. Fortunately enough, I'm finished, so now I'm just grinding on full time. I'm delighted to inform you all that VoiceFlow did patch their stuff yesterday, which is very good. So this morning I've only spent working since like half past 6, I believe. I've just spent working on client projects, but now I'm working on the internal agents again. So yeah, it's been a nice morning. Just really been sitting by my desk, done work. But yeah, let's crack on. Okay, so this is me cleaning my little brother's PC. And then of course I'm a nice guy and actually putting it back on because yeah, I'm not just going to leave him out to dry. He's a pretty big F1 geek. Look at this setup and look at this immaculate PC.
Hey.
Yeah. Now I want to get back to the beginning of the video where I basically promise you all that I'm going to show you exactly how I got to where I'm at today. And for context, I'm no guru like everyone else that you see online because I don't have a lot of money. I don't live a luxury lifestyle. I'm kind of in my development phase, so to say. And as I think that you guys have realized by now in this video, is that I work like a lot. We talk like often 10, 12 hours a day, just seated by my desk. I don't know if you go into my phone, go to my health app, you can see that I have like approximately like some days I literally have like 200 steps registered because that's how much I sit. And that's like only for me walking down to the kitchen, making myself a cup of coffee, and then going up again like 5 times over. So yeah, it is a lot, but it's worth it. And for the past 2 years that I've been in this, I've grown a lot and I've really matured. When I started, I thought I was mature, but now I've just learned so much and it's so much to explain in like one video. But basically, my key learning is that the only thing you need to do is that you need to work and actually stick to it. I see so many people out there trying to make quick money, but really it doesn't work, or at least from my understanding, it doesn't work. My core idea is that you need to always validate your products first. You cannot hop on, build like an automation and expect it to sell for $5,000 a pop. Like people would tell you this, but then like who would you buy this for $5,000 without with like no proof of concept nor anything like that? That's why you need to validate your product first, and that is what really has made made me the most progress in the last 6 months. I so something like that. I think there's so much literally bullshit out there, just saying that, oh yeah, if you don't make 100 grand before you're 17, then you're a fucking loser. Like no, you just need to work and actually validate your product and don't give up. Like me, I didn't make any money for like 1.5 years, and now I don't even make enough money so that I can fucking afford to move out. But I'm still here and I'm still working. Like I'm working with big companies, but for now it's just a matter of building phase. I work with massive brands, but I'm in the phase where I need to validate my product. And now when big companies are seeing my product, then other big companies won't mind spending like $3,000 a month if other big companies and bigger companies than they are using them and they like them, and they can go on and try it and they can see like, oh shit, this is actually a good stuff. I've just literally spent the entire day just working and recording videos, editing videos as well, but that's kind of the same thing. And I literally got off like 2 minutes ago, maybe, recording what I believe is going to be the greatest video on my YouTube channel forever. If you think this video is good, then this video is it's like the chef's kiss. It's like Gordon Ramsay's steak or whatever. Yeah, I'm going to head to the gym in 2 hours. Before that, I'm just going to rest, honestly, because I haven't spent so much time, and yeah, I've just been very busy and now I need to rest before the gym. So yeah, peace.
On the wall, won't show my face. Need someone to put.
Okay guys, it's Friday now. It's 8 in the morning I have just had a slow morning. Just kidding. I've been working for about an hour now. I'm here. I'm actually multitasking. As you can see, I'm editing a video while running prompts on Bolt on the other screen, which is very nice. So yeah, now I'm going to just keep on working. When I first started in AI, I thought I knew what I was doing, but I was wrong.